Simply copy and paste this email. Next, you will get paid. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And the great thing about today's method is that you can do this over and over again for an unlimited amount of time. If you watch this video until the end and not miss the steps shown, I can guarantee you that you will be making a decent passive income very soon. However, make sure that you guys follow each and every step of the video to know that you're using this method correctly, because if you just go ahead and skip to the end, you will miss some important instructions and you might not make any money at all, end up only wasting your time. So make sure to pay attention, because in this video I will show you 6 steps to follow. They are very easy and they will help you start generating a passive income. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video to our channel. Also, please help us and support us by sharing our video and also leaving a like and a comment down below. That helps us so much with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so before we begin with step 1, I just want to let you know that you do not need to sell any digital products. You do not need to create any digital products. You don't need any social media following, and more importantly, you will not even need to have a social media account for this method to work properly. So you can send those emails automatically with the click of a button, so make sure to watch this video until the end to know how to do so. So first step is going to be to come over to this website called Selfie at selfie.com. You can see the link on the screen right now. Selfie is an easy-to-use e-commerce for creators. Sell merchandise or digital products all from one place. Keep in mind, like I said, you will not be selling anything, because I will show you how we can use this method to get a passive income without any actual sales. And you won't have to spend any money at all. You can do this for free and you can begin with $0. So for step 1, I'd like you to go to the website selfie.com and learn more about how the platform works. So this platform is aimed for influencers and big creators who already have a following. They can come over here and they start selling products with their logos, start selling courses, maybe ebooks or anything else that they want to sell their audience. Step 2 is to check the website's pricing plan. Do not worry again, you will not need to buy anything in this website. If you watch the video, you will understand how this method will make you money with $0. I just want to show you that they have 3 different pricing plans starting at $19 per month, $39 or $89. And you can see that their average and most popular plan is $468 per year. So people who want to use Selfie to actually sell products, creators, influencers and YouTubers will pay around $468 per year on average to use Selfie to build their brand, which is a no-brainer because they see a big return on investment. They get to have a shop without them actually managing or setting it up. And of course, they have the premium plan, which is $1,068 less expensive per year. This is for larger creators who make more money. So step 3 is to go over to YouTube. Don't worry, you don't have to boost any YouTube videos, you just want to go over to YouTube and find as many small creators as you can. And nowadays, you can literally find over tens of millions of small YouTube creators, and the majority of them are using their YouTube channels as a business. They're using those YouTube channels to make a lot of money, so it'll be easy to find a lot of creators on youtube.com. So you can just search for some keywords like League of Legends, finance, TikTok funny, or anything else. So I'll narrow my search to today. So this is what I'm going to search for, and it will bring up all of these different YouTube channels. I can just start scrolling down, and I'm particularly looking for channels with less than 50,000 subs. Those are the small creators that we should target, because most of them, they have a decent amount of fans, but at the same time, they sure don't sell their own merch yet, because maybe they think they need a lot of money to start doing so. So you can see how simple it was to find this YouTube creator, for example, and I'd like to repeat this until you found at least 20 or 30 different creators. The more of them you find, the better. Step number 4, I want you to open their YouTube channels on different browser tabs, and what we need to do now is go to this tab right here that says About. Under Details, look if they have a business email set up. If they don't, just close that tab and move on to the next creator. But once you find one that has an email, copy it and paste it in a text file, because we will be contacting them very shortly. And make sure to also put their channel name next to the email address so that we are a little bit more organized when contacting them. So as you can see, this channel has an address here, so we just need to click here and fill out the CAPTCHA if needed. That's step 4 done. You're actually doing a great job if you made it up to this point, because a lot of people didn't. Step 5 is to return to selfie.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and then directly under company you can see something called affiliates. So you want to be a selfie affiliate, and the reason for this is that they will pay you 25% of the creator's subscription, which means that if you refer a person and that person spends $1,000, that's just one client spending $1,000 in a single year. That's $350 from one single person that you have referred. And that's why I told you to check out their pricing plan, because of this. And if you look at my screen, I have prepared an email in advance that I will be sending to these creators. You can pause the video and read it so you can get inspired, or you can just copy what I wrote here. The more referrals you get, the more money you will be making. And believe me, creators have money to invest, and most of them will actually be interested in starting their own little merch store. So for the first 5 people you refer, you will earn around 25% commission, or an average of $120 per person. But after like 30, 20, 40 people that you refer, you will be making up to 40% commission per person, and which is an average of $300 per person, or a few $100s per email that you send. So for step 5, I wanted you to become an affiliate, so you can just sign up for free, which will take you to this page where you can simply click join now. You can sign up for free by filling out all of the information asked from these boxes right here. So just take a moment to actually fill this up. The entire procedure should not take more than 2 minutes. Step number 6. Now that you've gotten your affiliate link, you'll begin sending emails to those creators. Collect their email addresses and send them an email that looks something like what you see on the screen right now. So like I said before, pause the video, read my email, and do something similar to it. Or you can use your own words, anything works really. So I'll just say, hey there, and then leave my name here. I'd like to speak with you about forming a partnership. We've checked your channel and we'd love to let you know that you're missing out on a huge revenue opportunity. If you ever thought about starting to sell your merch, we can help you do that easily on our website. Check out our platform and you can decide whether or not it's something for you. And you can put your affiliate link right here. And then I just said thank you for taking the time to read this email. EarnPal, like leave your name at the... This type of email does not look or sound like a spam at all. If you notice, I try to engage the actual owner of the channel, making them feel that this was written especially for them. That way they won't discard it like just any other spam email, and in most cases they will actually respond. So don't forget to put your affiliate link here, include your name at the end of the email, that way you'll sound more personal, and as a result, when we read this email, they actually will be curious to learn what Selfie is and how it works. And they will click on your affiliate link, and if they sign up, you've just made $100 on average, and sometimes a lot more for a single email that you've sent out for free. So once you've changed everything, you insert their name here, you insert your affiliate link here, and you insert your name here. Just copy that and email them with the subject line, for example, grow your channel, or grow your business, or make more revenue with your actual YouTube channel. And you can answer as many of those creator email addresses here as you want. So another 10, 20, or 30 creators will actually do the trick for you. Again, you have a good chance of earning more than $100 in commissions, and because you're an affiliate, you don't have to do anything to satisfy them, because Selfie will actually do it for you. They will cover customer support and all the difficult stuff. All you have to do is send this email to as many people as possible, and if someone purchases a yearly plan, for example, for $1,000, that's an easy $360 for you that you did nothing for. And that's basically it. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to EarnPal and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also please guys, share this video with your friends, because that really helps our growth a lot. And thank you so much for all the support that you've given us so far, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Thank you.